Be careful who you trust. Even the devil was once an angel. They'll ignore you until they need you. The best revenge in the world is massive success. An honest enemy is better than a false friend. Some guys just don't have what it takes to go up the ladder. When people you don't even know hate you, that's when you know you're the best. The number one fear of people isn't dying, it's public speaking. Your enemies always get strong on what you leave behind. Be a good listener, your ears will never get you in trouble. Loyalty is an expensive gift. Don't expect it from cheap people. People will provoke you until they bring out your ugly side, then play victim when you go there. It's the lies you tell yourself. These are the lies you got to live with. Keep your friends close and your enemies closer. It's not about who is real to your face. It's about who stays real behind your back. The loudest one in the room is the weakest one in the room. They say, I changed a lot. I say a lot changed me. Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, small minds discuss people. I'm getting too old to be around people who don't understand the concept of loyalty and honesty. Respect those who tell the truth, no matter how difficult it is. Confidence is silence. Insecurity never shuts up. Just remember, not everyone has the same heart as you. Stop telling people more than they need to know. Be good to those who are good to you and don't care the rest of them. Respect is earned, trust is gained, and loyalty is returned. A man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Don't let anyone get comfortable disrespecting you. Haters will broadcast your failure but whisper your success. Suffer the pain of discipline or suffer the pain of regret. Knowledge will give you power, but character will give you respect. Never hate your enemies. It clouds your judgment. If everyone likes you, you have a serious problem.